I need to learn cucumber, kale, garlic, carrot, spinach, asparagus, peas, and pepper,
And
try, onion. I saw the outside. I saw the outside. Omega-3 fatty acids, photosynthesis, chlorophyll, vitamin K, carotenoids, support healthy eyes and cells in your teeth. Eggplant, dark green, blackberry, peach, blueberry, anthocyanin, improve for memory, healthy aging, ginger, jicama, onion, mushroom, flavonoids, carbohydrates, good cholesterol. These are rainbow. A banana smell. 我要吃的是北茶 carotene vitamin A chlorophyll red fruit 2 by